Introduction to Biology. Biology is the study of living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest mammals. First of all, what is a living thing? In order for something to be called a living thing, it must have these 8 traits. 1. Cellular organization. All living things are made of cells, which are like tiny building blocks. 2. Reproduction. Living things must be able to reproduce themselves to make copies of themselves. 3. Metabolism. Living things require energy in order to do anything, including moving and reproducing. 4. Homeostasis. Living things must be able to regulate themselves. This is called homeostasis. It is the process of keeping everything balanced and comfortable, just like a thermostat regulates the temperature in a house. 5. Heredity. Living things pass down traits from parent to child. This is called heredity. For example, a daughter may have the same color hair or eyes as her mother or father. 6. Response to stimuli. Living things must be able to respond to stimuli in order to survive. For example, if you walk outside on a very sunny day, your pupils will narrow to protect your eyes from taking in too much light and being damaged. 7. Growth and development. As you get older, your body changes and develops. For example, babies learn to walk and talk and eventually do complex tasks. 8. Adaptation through evolution. Living things evolve in order to adapt to their environment. For example, some creatures can blend into their environments to hide from predators. Now we'll go a bit deeper into some of these topics. Genetics. Genetics is about how living things pass on traits to their kids. Traits are things like the color of your eyes or hair. You get your traits from your parents, and they got their traits from their parents, and so on. Traits are passed down through DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, which tells your body how to develop and work. Because of genetics, we know a lot about why living things look and act the way they do. It's also important because it can help scientists develop new medicines and treatments for diseases. Evolution. Living things evolve. Evolution is about how living things change over time. For example, in England there used to be 2 kinds of peppered moths, light-colored ones and dark-colored ones. The light-colored moths were better at hiding on light-colored trees, while the dark-colored moths were better at hiding on dark-colored trees. But later, factories started polluting the air and turning more of the trees dark. Suddenly, the light-colored moths were easier for predators to see, while the dark-colored moths were better at hiding. So over time, more and more moths became dark-colored because they were better adapted to the environment. The human body. The human body is an amazing machine which performs countless functions every day. The human body helps us do all the things we need to do, like walk, talk, eat, and play. It's made up of lots of different parts that all work together to keep us healthy and happy. One of the most important parts of the human body is the brain. The brain controls the body. It allows us to think, feel, and remember things. It also controls our muscles and all of the body's functions. Another critical part of the human body is the heart. The heart is a pump which moves blood around the body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. Without blood, our body won't be able to work properly. It is very important to take care of our bodies by eating healthy foods, getting enough sleep, and exercising. Ecology. Finally, let's consider the environment. Ecology is how living things interact with each other and with the environment. Humans can have a big impact on the environment, both positive and negative. For example, planting trees can help clean the air and provide a place for animals. Pollution can harm the environment and the living things that depend on it. Biology is a huge subject, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching.